morning. Another sunny day on the farm. We've got so much to do that we don't even really know where to start. So I guess for today, what we're going to do is burn some stuff. There's probably 15 or so pretty good sized burn piles on the property right now. Like I mentioned before, this at one point was a Christmas tree farm. So the guy that was leasing the land for his cattle has slowly been clearing it out. And we've got burn piles on top of burn piles everywhere around here of old Christmas trees that we need to burn. So we're going to work on that today. Maybe at some point take a break, go do a little fishing. I don't really know yet. We also still have some of the Christmas trees standing, which are all kind of being suffocated by these autumn olives that have started to grow so thick through here. This is what I mentioned in the last video, that we have to start clearing out because it is congested pretty bad up through this pasture area with these autumn olives. So we may start cutting on that today. If we get a good burn pile going, we can start dragging it down the hill and burning it all. All right, Jackson, if you'll start grabbing all the stuff that's already cut and loose and get it in your burn pile. I'm gonna get the chainsaw, I'll come up, start cutting stuff for you.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna burn down the hole. Oh my gosh, Dad, look at it. Whoa. It's gonna explode.
You better get down soon. I gotta cut this tree down.
His name is Johnny. And it's our tree.
Ah, you've got plenty of others to choose from.
It's Johnny Appleseed.
But it's not an apple tree.
And it doesn't have a pot on its head.
I'm gonna get the chainsaw fired up and start cutting some of these autumn olives down and burn them. I've also bought a pack of Diablo pruning blades. So I'm gonna put that on the end of the hacksaw and let Jackson and Juliet go around and cut some of the small stuff. You can see little autumn olives popping up all over the place, so they can start cutting on that while I start cutting down the big stuff.
I got 2 in 1.
Okay, 2 autumn olives down, only about 150 to go. Hey, it's not time to rest yet.
You have shavings in your beard.
Yes, I do.
Look like Santa Claus.
Did you get all the wood out of my beard?
Yes.
Thank you. Max, did you catch something up there? Huh? Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Go, tree, go!
Timber!
Woo!
Uh-oh. Ow. That's what it like.
I think in total we took out 4 or 5 old Christmas trees, and I think we took out about 6 autumn olives. So we're just trying to get these burn piles to finish up with what's left. That is enough work for today. We are gonna go play now. We're either gonna go fishing or we're gonna go hiking, or both. Let's see. All right, so there's a teal storage tote floating in the pond right now. It was sitting on the side, and the kids had filled it with water, and that's where they were putting the fish as they caught them. But we get a lot of wind here, so it blew in the pond at some point over the last couple days. And there just happens to be a tree that's fallen in the pond. It's kind of making a bridge for Jackson, and he's trying to get to that storage tote right now to get it out of there. All right, so it's a little harder than we thought to get to because it's so slippery on that log as soon as it drops into the water. Jackson may or may not be going for a swim right now. Okay, now we've got a giant stick. Oh.
I got it.
Oh, you guys see if you can get it through though.
He's so silly. What? I just want to don't break it. Use the balance.
What are you doing? Yeah, you got it out. Good job.
Okay. And then I'm gonna pass it to you. 1 second. Okay, go, Dad. Woo! Okay.
Thank
There's
you.
also a bucket right here.
All right, let's go fish.
Okay.
Yeah, they were on the front porch. I moved them over by...
Here, put it on your wrist.
No, I don't want to put it over there. Lucy, watch out.
Oh. Ew. I don't understand. Look at this. Another really fun day on Lantrier Farm. We got a pretty good head start on clearing a bunch of trees out, and both those burn piles are about down to nothing. So it's always a good feeling to get all that done and not still be left with partial burn piles stacked everywhere. So there's not much left there. We had some luck fishing. We caught a few sticks in a leaf, so that's cool. Well, if we hadn't had enough fires already today, the kids are making another one. I'll probably give it another couple minutes here of trying to fish, and then we're gonna call it a day, go inside, find something to eat, and maybe pick a good movie or something to watch. Heather's gone for most of the weekend, down hanging out with some friends and helping one of her friends move. So she'll be back up later tonight. But it was a good day. The kids and I got a lot done. We worked hard, and then now we're trying to just relax and play a little bit. So thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Like and subscribe. This is so good, Jackson. Oh, here's another rock. Really? Oh,